So I have a question. First, thank you for taking questions and helping us. But my question is, I just started my lawn care business this year, this season. I didn't really take on many clients. I was just my big thing was just getting started. And but my dilemma is I work a full time job. So I'm still working a full time job. It's something that I'm doing part time. And next season I would like to be able to really put on more clients and everything. But the barrier for me is because I work that full time job, I'm not working with that much of a window after my work to accommodate enough customers that I would like.
Hmm.
So I thought about hiring someone, but my only reservation with that is um, just if something happens where employee is sick, they have to not show up or anything like that, then it will conflict with my full time job. I just wanted to know what was your thoughts on that.
Throw a number at me, like in terms of what you're making at your job right now.
Right now about 53,000.
Okay. And then in terms of customers, how many do you have right now?
Oh well, I had two. Like I said, I was just getting started, so I mainly marketed to people that I knew and everything like that. Getting a feel for because I created my LLC and stuff, so I was just really trying to make sure it was something that I wanted to do long term, and so I just took on a couple customers for the season.
Yeah, like I would cross that bridge when you get there, right? Because like you probably could easily get 20 customers or so without even needing an employee. So unless you're trying to go from, two employees to 100 employees in the next couple months, I wouldn't worry about thinking about what you're going to do when you hire someone. And so I would at this point be like consider go from 2 to 20, right? And because I'm assuming 20 you could do on the weekends, you could in the evenings, you could make that work. And just try not to cross the bridge of, oh, what am I going to do with an employee and my job when we don't even need an employee at this stage? We're simply trying to get this thing off the ground, and 20 employees will kind of prove the concept. And then all of a sudden you're at 20 customers, and either A, you're going to raise prices because you can't handle getting more, or B, you're going to be able to go find an employee because now you're able to raise prices, get more customers, and at a higher margin be able to afford to pay someone $3, $4, $5 more per hour compared to the competition. So you'll get some of the best talent, and that would probably be the type of person that would be able to run it while you're still at your job. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. Thank you. I think that's all I had. I don't
Cool.
think I had any follow up questions about that.
Awesome. Thanks, brother. Take care.